Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that euro dollar showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly perspective, we can see that euro dollar, this is the monthly candle just closed with a long bearish engulfer. Now with that bearish engulfer, euro dollar has created a very strong bearish price action, and we could see further drop on euro dollar. Now if we look at overall picture from the bigger picture perspective, we see that it was in a long term bull market, created this correction. There has been another impulse, but we saw that from this monthly liquidity zone, euro dollar has created this bearish candle. Now we can expect the price come back down further for grabbing liquidity, and we can expect in this move at least to come back to this monthly support level. Now if we look at the weekly, we can see that euro dollar from the weekly a bit more clearer price action. From this weekly perspective, if we draw this level here, we can see that euro dollar was respecting this trend line for extended period of time. We saw this level acted here as a resistance, created this move, has broken towards the upside, tested this as a support, created another impulse. Again euro dollar has come back to the same level, tested as a support, and we saw that euro dollar in fact again had a bounce coming back to the same level. What I think that euro dollar highly likely may maintain this long term channel to the upside, so we can expect now euro dollar to come back to this support zone to grab liquidity before moving towards the upside to its long term uptrend. So for the timing, we see that from the weekly we can expect euro dollar further drop. Now this is the weekly candle. We have seen that there has been significant drop so far. As the news coming later today, we could see euro dollar going up to the weekly resistance zone for another momentum and to gain another momentum to drop in that direction. Now, if we look at the daily, we can see that from the daily perspective, the market is trending, creating series of lower high and lower low. There is an impulse correction. So every time the price is creating series of lower high and lower low from the daily perspective, and we have seen that previous day euro dollar has created a long candle where there is a red body and there's a long weak candle. What I think that euro dollar from the daily, as you can see, the price already started to drop. As the news is coming, we might see this price going up for a deeper pullback. As you can see, this is the daily opening and closing along with this weekly opening and closing, a very important area of value, high liquidity zone. What I think that euro dollar might initially go up to test this level, and then we can expect further drop on euro dollar. So monthly, weekly and daily giving potential for bearish move on euro dollar. Now if we look at intraday perspective, we can see that there has been consolidation and multiple times there was a manipulation here. Now we see back to back three dodges. As we see, there is a strong rejection from the support. We may not see direct drop on euro dollar. What I think that instead we could see initial movement towards the upside to test this doji. This is a high liquidity zone during the news or later, and from that zone we could see that euro dollar again coming down to continue its long term downtrend. So this is where I will be waiting for a potential price action confirmation. As soon as we will find suitable entry on euro dollar, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.